Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change Twitter account username. It's pretty easy and simple. So guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. Guys, here you can see this is my Twitter apps and I open my Twitter account and then tap on the top left corner three line menu bar option. Here you can see, just tap this menu bar option and after that you get a option settings and privacy on the down. Here you can see settings and privacy, just tap on this settings and privacy and after that here you can see a option on the top, account option. So just tap on this account and after that here you can see option username on the top. So just open this username and now you finally get your username and now you can change your username here like monkey live 55. That's when it's tick mark, then it's done. They accept your username and after that you can tap on the down right side done option. That's it. Now your username already changed. So in this way you can change your Twitter account username very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.